Happy mortgage market and you. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage fluently. All right, so unfortunately, we're seeing so many fake calls again. Literally, I know of another homeless family because of a fake call. Top producer, stop teaching if you don't have enough time to do mortgages and qualify your people. Again, told someone they were pre-approved, put their house in market, went to buy a house. No big deal, it fell out because they weren't truly approved. Well, their sale wasn't contingent upon that. They thought they were approved. Now, husband, wife, kids, pets are all homeless. Okay? So here, if you look to the screen, here's what it's supposed to say. Contingencies, right? This isn't a real pre-approval letter. We haven't done our due diligence. All we did was pull credit. We haven't seen their income, their assets, anything that literally says this for sure is going to get to the finish line. Should work. I hope it would work. Now, why would anybody do this? Why is there 1 in 4 transactions not getting to the finish line? Greed, right? If only 1 out of 4 doesn't get to the finish line, if I just keep saying yes over and over, and I'm a greedy person, statistically, I'm going to win more often than not. Is it dirty? Yes. Do we know what happens? Yes. So truly, ultimately, I'm bringing it up because I have realtors getting mad at me every day saying, why do you take a full day to pre-approve people? VA as an example. My other guy does it in 5 minutes. Literally says as soon as he pulls credit that he's good. Fake-Qual. You should be mad at them, not me. Our industry should be kicking those dirty players out and just not accepting their offers. So we know it's happening, pre-approval versus not. So again, unfortunately, since nobody's putting down their contingencies, nobody's saying, I haven't done my homework, no income, no assets, no nothing. All we did was pull credit and think it's gonna work. Call. Unfortunately, your best realtors, the ones that have the least fallout, like when we interview throughout the state, who has the least fallout? Why? They're calling on every pre-approval letter. If it's one they're considering accepting, have you pulled credit? Have you seen their income? Have you seen their assets? Have you actually ran this through the AS? Do you have an approved eligible? Do you have their certificate of eligibility if it's VA? Awesome. You've done your part. This is real. Oh my gosh. No, you don't have their income. You don't have their assets. You haven't gotten their COE. You haven't ran AUS. How then are you providing me a letter that claims you've done all of that? So there it is. Fake calls, right? All right. Market. Oh man, a lot happened last week. So the economy is racing. Report after report came out above expectation. Except jobs, right? Not jobs specifically, but just companies trying to hire. Literally, it's said that for every unemployed person, there's a job out there today. For some reason, people don't want to go back to work. Won't tackle that one, but that's one of the biggest issues in terms of negative reporting we saw. This week, the biggest report to watch for is CPI, inflation. But truly, and why I said return of the D, all about the D, more of the D, it's all about the Delta variant. So COVID round 4, remember the D variant's the 4th version of this, so COVID-19, 20, 21, 22, like the 4th edition, right? That is what's impacting. Who's going to work? Who's seeing stuff? Who's buying stuff and how? That is literally the most major impactful thing to the stock market, to rates, to the future of this country. So, hope you had an amazing day. Chris from Fluent Mortgage. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you next week.